Hello, my name's Claire Hill and I'm the head teacher at Leasowe Primary School. We were introduced to High Impact through another school, and we very quickly realised that what High Impact could offer to us as a school would really suit our needs moving forward. So that's why we initially contacted High Impact to help us with our ICT. The transition to High Impact was quite seamless for us, so our business manager liaised with High Impact, and really it just took a couple of discussions over the telephone, and the High Impact staff came in to speak to us about what our needs were and to discuss our curriculum needs, and we just took it from there. We signed up for High Impact for a 3-year SLA rather than the year, and it wasn't just for financial reasons. We'd already developed really positive links with High Impact through Gemma and through Owen, that comes in every week to help us with the ICT, who actually we couldn't do without. And I think that because of that, because we already had that confidence in the service that we were getting, we automatically felt it was appropriate to go for the whole 3-year SLA. So since we switched to High Impact, the tech experience for us has been outstanding. We know that we only have to put in a ticket to High Impact for any concerns that we have, and quite incredibly, you're able to remote into our laptops, which I still can't get my head around. But at the end of the day, we know that we've got that supportive network behind us to help us every step of the way, and we're really grateful for that. We know that every device that either a member of staff or a child comes into contact with is safe for them to use, and we know that because of the measures High Impact have put in place to safeguard our online safety. I think High Impact has had an amazing impact on our school. The staff really look forward to the days where we have the standalone ICT days, and the children love every moment of it. So we've obviously have the links with Gemma, who comes in and works alongside the children, and they love her and she loves them. And I think it's just been a really positive link that we've developed, that we really are excited to keep going moving forward. So having had an initial meeting with High Impact, we were really interested in the curriculum enrichment that High Impact offer. And having had a lovely conversation with Gemma, we realised just how amazing this was going to be for the children to support their understanding not only of ICT but of the wider curriculum. So High Impact worked very closely with our subject leaders to find out what topic areas we're covering, and they really offer the very best high quality enrichment activity to support the children's learning. So it's a winning situation for us all round. The CPD that Gemma offers our teachers is invaluable. She comes with such a wealth of knowledge and enthusiasm behind her that staff just hang off her every word. We're very lucky to have that link, in that Gemma can provide us with inspirational support packages that really support the teachers when they're planning to bring that teaching to life. So I think in that respect, we're really fortunate to have those curriculum links. I think that prior to engaging with the services of High Impact, ICT was seen by some of the children as a little bit of a mundane type of subject, but now they literally can't get enough of it. I think they see that Gemma's coming in to do one of the days and they're absolutely overjoyed, because they know that the learning that they're going to get is going to be hands-on, it's going to be collaborative, it's just going to bring that bit of learning to life and make it real for them. And because of the way some children learn, it's far more of a hands-on kinesthetic approach, and that's absolutely what we find these days brings. So it's a fabulous resource for us. So being introduced to the media services element of High Impact has been absolutely life-changing for me as a head teacher, because to be honest, I am absolutely useless in terms of filming and media. However, being introduced to Georgia has given me a link that has just made the process so easy. We've had some wonderful photographs taken for our website, which is going to serve us so well in terms of our publicity moving forward. And we've just engaged Georgia to create a promotional video for our early years department, which is just going to look spectacular on our website too. So I know that this is only going to take our practice and our provision forward. High Impact are sensational. They're supportive, they're kind, they're easy to contact, and they've just been life-changing for our school.